Nomination reject resign.
Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is for your kind attention. Kindly switch off your mobile phones or to keep them in silent mode. Thank you for the cooperation.
Not a good. ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಲಾಯರ್
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೋಟರ್ 2000.
May I seek your Lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceeding?
Please proceed.
I request Honorable the Chief Justice to deliver the reference speech.
My sister and brother judges, members of the bereaved family of Honorable Justice B.K.Somashekar, Mr. Shashi Kiran Shetty, the Advocate General, Mr. Arvind Kamath, the Additional Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate Generals, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Mr. Kamar Reddy, Chairman, Mr. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, and Mr. Vijay Mangdekar, Vice Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council and other members of the State Bar Council, Mr. Vivek Subba Reddy, President, Mr. Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Mr. Girish Kumar, Vice President, Srimati Shweta Ravi Shankar, Treasurer, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, the President General of this court, senior advocates and other learned members of the bar, judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are assembled today in a moment of deep solemnity to pay our respectful homage to Justice Banavar Krishnamurthy Somashekar, former judge of the High Court of Karnataka, who passed away on 15 January at the age of 90 years. With his passing, the institution has lost a distinguished jurist and a noble human being who devoted his entire life to the cause of justice. Justice Somashekar was born on 27 January 1936 is Doda Balarpur at Bengaluru rural districts into a family with proud legal lineage extending over 3 generations. His father, Shri Krishnamurthy, a highly respected senior advocate who practiced for nearly 6 decades was widely known for his integrity, discipline, and unwavering professional rectitude. His mother, Srimati Krishnamurti, shaped his character through quiet sacrifice, resilience, and moral strength. Having undergone an apprenticeship in his father's chambers before enrolling as an advocate, he often stated that whatever discipline and dignity he possessed were inherited from his parents. These enduring values became the guiding force of his life and service on the bench. Justice Somashekar completed his graduation in science from National College, Bengaluru, and obtained his law degree from the Government Law College, now known as Law College, Bengaluru. He enrolled as an advocate on 30th May 1959 and practiced law in Bengaluru and surrounding districts. Though his tenure at the bar was relatively brief, it was rich in experience and exposure, enabling him to acquire a sound foundation in procedural and substantive law. In the year 1964-65, Justice Somashekar joined the Karnataka Judicial Service as a Munsif cum magistrate. He served with distinction at several places including Devadurga, Belgaum, Chitradurga, Kardwar, and Dharwar. His judicial career spanning nearly 3 decades in the subordinate judiciary was marked by diligence, fairness, and a deep sense of responsibility. He was promoted as a district judge in 1980. Justice Somashekar was entrusted with important institutional responsibilities. As a director of training, he played a vital role in imparting judicial training to newly appointed munsifs, emphasizing discipline, judicial ethics, and sensitivity towards litigants. The state government appointed him as the head of the Commission of Inquiry into Pavagada firing incident, a responsibility he discharged with independence and thoroughness. The comprehensive report submitted by him was accepted in its entirety by the government. Later, he also headed the Commission of Inquiry relating to attacks on churches in Karnataka in the year 2008, once again reflecting commitment to constitutional values and the rule of law. In the year 1994, Justice Somashekar was elevated as a judge of the High Court of Karnataka. After serving this court for a brief period, he was transferred to the High Court of the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh, where he continued to serve with distinction until his retirement in the year 2003. His judgments were known for their clarity, balance, and adherence to the established legal principles. Justice Somashekar was also a scholar and author, having written several books both in English and Kannada. His contributions to legal literature and judicial education reflect his deep scholarship and a commitment to the dissemination of legal knowledge. Those who had the privilege of hearing his reply speech on the occasion of his swearing in as a judge will remember his profound humility, spiritual grounding, and heartfelt acknowledgement of his parents, teachers, mentors, colleagues, and family. He consistently regarded the judicial office as a sacred trust and upheld the ideals of honesty, integrity, fearlessness throughout his career. Justice Somashekar is survived by his wife, Srimati Geeta Somashekar, and his 2 sons. To the bereaved family, on behalf of all my sister and brother judges, the members of the bar, the judicial officers, and the staff of this court, I extend our deepest condolences. We share their grief and assure them that Justice Somashekar will be remembered with respect, affection, and gratitude by this institution. In the passing of Justice Somashekar, the judiciary has lost a judge who exemplified quiet dignity, unwavering integrity, and a lifelong devotion to justice. May his noble soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
I request the Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council to give the reply.
Honorable Justice V.V. Bakru, Chief Justice High Court of Karnataka, Companion Judges Bengaluru, Dharwada, Kalaburgi, Sri Shashikiran S. Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Sri K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Sri Shanti Bhushan, Sri Venkatesh Karikal, Sri Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor General of India, Additional Advocate Generals, Sri Vinay Mangalekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Sri Y.R. Sadashiva Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Srimati Nirale V. Bhavani, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Bengaluru, Sri B.A. Belliyappa and Sri Vijay Kumar Bajgi, State Public Prosecutor, Srimati Asma Kusor, Additional State Public Prosecutor, Sri B.N. Jagadish, Additional State Public Prosecutor, Sri Vivek Subbareddy, President, Sri Girish Kumar, CS Vice President, Sri Praveen Gowda, HV General Secretary, and Srimati Sweta Ravishankar, Treasurer of Advocates Association, Bengaluru. Learned Senior Counsels, Learned Registers and Judicial Officers, family members of Honorable Sri B.K.Somashekar, Learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Chief Justice has made a full reference to the qualities of late Justice Sri B.K. Somashekar. Today, we have assembled here with heavy hearts to mourn the sad demises of Honorable Justice Sri B.K. Somashekar, former Judge High Court of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. On behalf of legal fraternity of the state and personally, I would like to express heart-touching homage to the departed soul. Honorable Justice Banavar Krishnamurti Somashekar was born on 27/1/1936 at Doddaballapura. His father, Sri Krishnamurti, was a government leader in JMFC Doddaballapur. He obtained BS degree from National College and LLB degree from Bengaluru Government Law College. Justice B.K. Somashekar enrolled as an advocate on 30th May 1959. He served as a municipal magistrate on 6/7/1964. He served as a municipal firstly at Devdurga and later served at Chitradurga, Karwar, and many other places. He was promoted as a district judge in the year 1980 and obtained super time scale in the year 1990. He served as a director of training and gave training to the newly recruited municips. He was appointed as a judge of this High Court on 25/2/1994, and within a gap of almost 1 month, he was transferred as a judge of the Andhra Pradesh High Court on 21/3/1994 and retired as a judge in the year 2003. Justice B.K. Somashekar retired, headed the Commission of Inquiry into the 2008 attack on Christians in Karnataka and submitted his report in January in 2011, concluding that the incidents were carried out by misguided elements rather than the state-backed, and noted that the Roman Catholic Church were not involved in conversations. Justice B.K. Somashekar passed away in January 2026 at the age of 90 years. I, on my behalf and on behalf of my legal fraternity, share the grief and sense of loss of the members of his family and friends and offer heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family. We pray that members of his family may have the strength and courage to bear the mighty loss. May his soul rest in peace.
As a mark of respect for the departed soul, we shall now observe silence for 2 minutes.
As directed by Honorable Chief Justice, the courts at the principal bench as well as benches at Dharwad and Kalburgi will not sit for the rest of the day. I seek your Lordship's kind permission for concluding the proceedings.
Record.